Can you scream on Mars? Short answer, no. And if you enjoy watching normal human abilities completely fail in space, subscribe now, because today we're breaking sound. Sound feels simple, you scream. Air vibrates, sound travels. That's because Earth is full of air. Molecules bump into each other and carry sound forward like gossip. Space has no air, no molecules, no messengers. You can scream as hard as you want. Space will not hear you. Space does not care. Mars does have air, just barely. Sound works, but it's weak and quiet. Your scream would sound distant, thin, and honestly, embarrassing. High-pitched sounds die fast on Mars. Low sounds travel better. Mars literally has bass boost turned on. Titan is the opposite. Thick air means sound travels really well. Your voice would sound deeper and slower. Congratulations, instant demon voice. Same lungs, same scream, completely different results. Sound doesn't care about effort, it cares about atmosphere. So yes, you can scream on Mars. But space? Space keeps your secrets. Subscribe, because next time we'll see how heavy you'd be on other planets. Here's a perfect comparison. Screaming underwater feels useless, but it still works. Water carries sound better than air. Space carries nothing, so even the ocean hears you better than the universe does. Sound feels automatic, like it should always work, but it doesn't. Without air, there's no sound, no echo, no scream. The universe isn't silent because it's peaceful. It's silent because there's nothing there to listen. Subscribe, because next time we'll break gravity again.